Back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the different whitening serums you can use to boost the whitening effect of your black soap. These ones have been specifically selected for people who you don't want to add so many things into your black soap. You just want to add a few things and you are good to go. So this particular serums that have been selected are very good in the boosting of the whitening effect of your black soap. Okay, so if this is what you are looking for on this channel today, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic for today. Okay, so the first thing I have here on my list is skin-free milk. Yes, I know a lot of us must have seen this particular product. It is super effective. It is very good for boosting the whitening effect of your black soap as well. It's also used as well in other products, so you can definitely use this as skin-free concentrate. Okay, so but the thing about this particular product is that you need to be very careful not to go overboard so you do not have issues, especially when you are using it for other things like lightening creams. Okay, it can still be okay in your black soap. That's because it is a wash-off product. Okay, so it's not staying long on your skin, but if you are going to be using them in your lotion or in your cream, you need to be very careful not to go overboard with them. Moving on to the next one on my list, I have Whitening oil. Whitening oil is a very good oil. I cannot talk about this oil enough. It is just super good, super effective, especially when you add it into your whitening body oil or your lightening body oil. It is very good. I used it in one of my videos when I mixed the cottage fresh soap. I used it as well to activate the black soap, so you can use it in activating your soap. It is very. So moving on to the next one on my list, I have here Glutathione instant white. Okay, so if you know what glutathione is, you know that glutathione is very good. It's a whitening ingredients that you can use. It's super effective, and yes, when it is combined with vitamin C, it gives this beautiful look. So the Glutathione instant white serum is a combine of these two antioxidants, and it is very good for your skin. So you can as well add it into your black soap. Okay, it is very good. Moving on to the next one, I have here Glutathione Comprime. Okay, so if you have used Glutathione Comprime soap, you know that this particular product is just amazing. Yes, it is super effective, very good on the skin. It clears the different things. It gives you this whitish clean yellowish undertone. It's very good. You really need this particular Glutathione Comprime concentrate. Okay, so like I said, go easy with concentrate. So the next one on my list is Magic Fold. Magic Fold has been around for a long while now. Yes, it's very good. It's a good whitening concentrate you can use as well. Moving on to the next thing, we also have Potion Magic. Potion Magic is very good as well. Very effective. You can use that as well. All right, so the next one is Emus white serum. Is a very good one you can use, super effective. It's not a concentrate. Okay, so it is very good. It's a serum you can use in your creams, you can use in your soap. It is powerful, very nice product. You can use that as well to activate your black. One on my list is the lemon clear oil. This oil as well is very good. It is not thick, it is not harsh. It is very good for the skin. You can add it into your black soap. It's super well. Okay, so the next one is Citral Clear. Like I said, remember I used Citral Clear in my video when I did the cottage fresh promixing. So you can definitely put Citral Clear, add Citral Clear into your black soap. Okay, to boost the whitening effect of your black soap. So the next one is my body white oil. This body white oil is very good. You can add it as well into your black soap. Okay, so when I said add all these things I mentioned, doesn't mean everything. You can just pick 2 or 3 of them or 2 of them and add into your black soap and you are good to go. Okay, so if this video or if this topic was educative, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. video. Okay, so you can as well leave your comments in the comment section. I would definitely reply to your comments. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.